Hey everybody, I'm Alex and we're back for a quick tutorial on how to update DogeCV anytime we release an update. Now, this isn't most likely the most efficient way. I'm now dubbing it the Janky way of doing this, but this is at least how I do it. As soon as I can get a good Git workflow going, I'll of course share that on this channel, but for right now, this is how at least I personally update DogeCV. So first thing, let's say we just released our version 1.1 update and you want to use this brand new awesome generic detector. You want to go ahead and just download it as the usual, and you also want to go to your directory that you have your project in. So in this case we have it over here, and what you're going to want to do is first off, while that's downloading, delete the source folder and the build folder. Pretty much what we're going to update is just the source code. The build folder is the previous build of the source. It just kind of makes it outdated. So all you really want to do is just drag source into here. You go into your project. It should just quickly see a loading bar update, and you should just be able to build. This is also the first time I'm building 1.1 on a fresh project, so let's hope I didn't mess up. Installing APK. And as we can see, the generic detector is still working, so it did successfully update to 1.1, and we have successful build. So I know that was a very quick tutorial, but that's how you update your DogeCV for right now. Thanks all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the updates.